In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an MCP server in Cursor using the command type configuration. First, open Cursor and head into Settings. You can get there by clicking the gear icon in the interface. Once you're inside Settings, navigate to the Features section. This is where Cursor groups experimental and advanced capabilities, including Model Context Protocol integrations, so it's the right place to manage your servers. Next, scroll down until you see the MCP Servers area. Click Add New MCP Server. This will open a small form where you'll define how Cursor connects to your tool. Think of this like telling Cursor which tool you want it to talk to and exactly how to launch it. Now fill in the details. For the name, you can enter something clear and memorable like Browser Tools. This label is just for you, so choose a name that makes it obvious what the server does. For type, select Command. That tells Cursor it should start this server by running a local command on your machine. In the command field, paste the npx command you obtained earlier in your setup. This is the exact command Cursor will execute when it starts the MCP server. If your environment needs it, you can also provide full path. This optional field is useful when the command isn't available on your system path, and you need to point Cursor to the full location of the executable. If everything runs fine without it, you can leave it blank. Take a moment to double-check your entries. Accurate names and commands make troubleshooting much easier later. When you're satisfied with the configuration, click Save. To finalize the setup, restart Cursor. A restart ensures the new MCP server configuration loads cleanly and that Cursor can start the server in the background as intended. After relaunch, return to Settings and the Features section if you'd like to confirm the server is listed under MCP servers. If the server starts successfully, you're all set and ready to use it in your workflows. To recap, you open Settings, go to Features, add a new MCP server, enter the name, choose the command type, paste the npx command, optionally provide full path if your system requires it, then save and restart Cursor. Keeping the name clear and verifying the command up front helps avoid most configuration hiccups. That's all it takes to integrate an MCP server into Cursor with the command type. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded toolchain.